Varo Bank stands out as a unique player in the financial world because it is actually the very first consumer fintech to land a national bank charter in the United States. This is a big deal for anyone tired of traditional banking hurdles because, unlike many of its competitors, Varo is a fully regulated bank that holds its own deposits and is directly insured by the FDIC. When looking at the Varo Bank account and its accompanying debit card, the most immediate benefit for the audience is the total lack of monthly fees. There are no hidden charges, no maintenance fees, and absolutely no minimum balance required to open or maintain an account. This makes it an incredibly accessible tool for anyone just starting their financial journey or someone looking to cut out the unnecessary costs that usually come with big banks. You get access to over 40,000 fee-free all-point ATM, though you should keep in mind that out-of-network withdrawals will cost $3.50. Lano, one of the most impressive features here is the high-yield savings opportunity. Varo offers a savings rate that ranges from 2.5% all the way up to 5% APY. To hit that top 5% mark, which is significantly higher than the national average, you just need to receive at least $1,000 in monthly direct deposits and keep a positive balance. And this higher rate applies to balances up to $5,000, making it a fantastic incentive for consistent savers. Additionally, for those who struggle with the timing of their paychecks, Varo offers an early payday feature that can get your funds to you up to 2 days early with direct deposit. There is also an integrated cashback program where you can automatically earn up to 6% cashback at select retailers, which adds a nice layer of passive savings to your everyday spending. For people facing the pain point of tight cash flow, Varo Advance is a notable mention. Eligible users can access a cash advance of up to $500 between paychecks. While there is a flat fee for this service, it comes with 0% interest, which is a much better alternative than predatory payday loans. Another huge win for this tool is how it handles physical cash. While most online banks make it nearly impossible to deposit cash, Varo offers free cash deposits at over 7,500 CVS pharmacy locations. This is a major relief for the audience who handles cash regularly but still wants a digital banking experience. If you are looking to improve your credit score, the account also grants access to the Varo Believe card. This is a secured credit card that helps you build credit using your own money, and it carries no interest or annual fees. However, an educated review must look at the downsides as well. The most significant concern in 2024 and 2025 centers on customer support. Varo has moved heavily toward automated AI chat, which means reaching a real human being on the phone can be extremely difficult. This becomes a serious problem if your account is frozen or if you are dealing with a transaction dispute. On that note, some users have reported that Varo's fraud filters can be a bit too sensitive, occasionally locking accounts for legitimate activity. When you combine sensitive security with hard-to-reach customer support, it can lead to some frustrating moments. Another limitation is the lack of joint accounts. Varo only offers individual accounts, so if you are looking to manage household finances with a partner, this is not the tool for you. Furthermore, the bank does not support outgoing domestic or international wire transfers, which is a major drawback if you frequently move large sums of money for business or real estate. You would have to rely on third-party services like Wise or Venmo to handle those transfers. While cash deposits are free at CVS, be aware that using other retailers like Walgreens or 7-Eleven through the Green Dot network can cost you up to $4.95 per deposit. There is also a limited bill pay system compared to traditional banks, as Varo does not offer a service to mail physical checks on your behalf. These factors suggest that while Varo is a powerhouse for students or individuals who want to avoid fees and build credit, it might feel a bit too restrictive as your financial life becomes more complex. To summarize the situation, Varo is an excellent choice for digital-first individuals who are comfortable managing everything through a high-rated mobile app and want to maximize their savings with that 5% APY. It is a great fit for frequent cash users who live near a CVS and anyone looking for a safe path to credit building. However, the risks and drawbacks are quite clear. You must be prepared for the lack of human customer support and the potential for account freezes due to strict security filters. Because there are no joint accounts and no wire transfer capabilities, it is not the right fit for couples or those handling high-value transactions. Ultimately, while it eliminates many common banking fees, the trade-off is a lean digital model that requires you to be self-sufficient when technical or security issues arise.